An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 occurred around noon on Sunday, October 24, 2021, at 1:11 p.m. local time near Yilan, Taiwan, as reported by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a moderately shallow depth of 66 kilometers. Our monitoring service identified a second report from France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, which listed the quake at magnitude 6.1 as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 6.0. In Yilan, located 33 kilometers from the epicenter, Hualien City, 63 kilometers away, Taipeh, 72 kilometers away, Banciao, 73 kilometers away, Keelung, 73 kilometers away, Daxi, 75 kilometers away, Taoyuan City, 82 kilometers away, Hsinchu, 99 kilometers away, and Puli, 109 kilometers away. The quake should have been felt as light shaking.